Now we're going to see about the evolution of virtualization, which is the foundation of modern cloud computing and data centers. Virtualization explains how computing moved from one application per server to multiple applications running efficiently on a single physical machine. So, what is virtualization? So, before going to the virtualization, earlier organization used dedicated physical servers for each application. This approach caused serious inefficiency. Virtualization emerged as a solution to overcome hardware wastage, high cost, and limited scalability. In the traditional model, one operating system and one application were installed on one physical server. Even if the application is used only 20 to 30% of CPU or memory, the remaining resources were wasted. So the main problem were underutilization of resources, high power consumption, increased hardware cost, and difficulty in scaling during peak loads. So adding capacity meant buying new servers, which was expensive and time consuming. So the concept behind the virtualization introduces a software layer called a hypervisor. This layer allows a single physical server to be divided into multiple isolated virtual machines, each running its own operating system. Today, virtualization is nothing but which creates multiple virtual machines which own its operating system and applications run on a single physical server with the help of a hypervisor. So now we're going to see about the role play how the virtualization concept works. Now we have a physical server 1.
I am physical server 1. I run OS applications.
Okay.
I am application 1. I want to use hardware server. I am application 2. I also want to use the hardware server.
I can run only one application at a time.
So now let us see that this caused the wastage of resources and a high cost and low efficiency. So now for this solution we go for a virtualization. It is based on, now let us see how the hypervisor will help.
I can help you. I am hypervisor. I can provide you 3 virtualization.
So this hypervisor is a software that enables the virtualization. So the hypervisor will create a virtual machine now. So let us see that.
I am virtual machine 1. I can run Windows OS.
I am virtual machine 2. I can run Linux.
I am virtual machine 3. I can run Ubuntu OS.
So now we see the each 3 virtual machines. Each virtual machine acts as an independent one and isolated, which act as a real computer. Now let us see how the process works. Where do you get CPU and memory from?
We are running the same hypervisor.
Okay. So this is about the resource pooling. So now let us see how the application users access the virtual machine.
I am the user. I can access multiple systems from the same server.
So this is how the data centers and cloud platform work. Let us see what if virtual machine 2 fails.
We are still able to continue.
Yeah. This shows that if one virtual machine fails, it will not affect the other virtual machine. So if virtual machine 2 fails, 1 and 3 will continue working. This is about the virtualization's benefits.
Virtualization allows to run a multiple virtualization machine through a single physical server using a hypervisor.
Yes, it will work. It does not affect other virtual machines.
Who manages the hardware resources?
Hypervisor.
So what is VM?
VM is virtual machine. Who divides CPU, memory, storage among virtual machine?
Hypervisor.
So now we conclude that the role play session on virtualization and how what it reflects and the takeaways. So virtualization has transformed the way modern IT infrastructure is designed, deployed and managed. Through this role play, we clearly observed how a single physical system can efficiently support multiple virtual machines using a hypervisor, enabling better utilization, cost reduction and operational flexibility. From the perspectives portrayed in the role play, such as IT administration, organization management, and end users, we understood how virtualization helps consolidate servers and reduce hardware dependency, improve scalability and rapid provisioning of systems, enhance fault tolerance, backup, and disaster recovery. So, support business continuity with minimal downtime. So, virtualization also plays a foundational role in advanced technologies like cloud computing, containerization, and software defined data centers. The challenges discussed, such as performance overhead, security concerns, and management complexity, highlight the performance of proper planning and skilled administration. So, in summary, that virtualization is not just a technology but a strategy enabler for modern digital transformation. By applying the concept demonstrated in this role play as to a real world scenario, so we can understand the virtualization better. Thank you.